Hello and welcome to the TES Secondary Maths Resource of the Week number 51 with me, Craig Barton. Now, after last week's special 50th anniversary epic Maths Resource Library Resource of the Week, I was always going to be struggling to top it this week. So I've given up in trying and instead I've gone for something completely different. Now, this resource has been shared by David Smith, which should be a name that's familiar to a few of you because he's behind the wonderful Maths Teacher website that produces great independent learning videos and activities for students to do, all of which are completely free. And he's got a new venture on the go now, which is these online tests and activities for kids to do. And I just wanted to highlight one of these because it may not be for everybody this, but I think there's something special going on here. So if you click the web link, you get taken to it. And here it is. This particular one is on linear equations, but David's produced loads of different topics. And they're a race against the clock with kids trying to get through as many questions as they can. So let's have a look at one here. Single term in X. Give this a little click. Now, the first thing I like about this is there's no need to register, give any details or anything like that. You're straight on with it. You can choose whether you just want positive answers or you want positive or negative. And then you just crack on. So let's have a look, start the test. Now, if I make a mistake here, I'm obviously doing it on purpose just to illustrate this. So I'm going for that first one there, 6, well, maybe 8 for that one there, 7 for that one there, 5 for that one there. Let me try and get a few of these wrong. 3 for that, 3 for that one, 7 for that one, blah, 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 blah. So you go through it. Notice the time's ticking away here, keeping a little track of it. And when you've done, you click End Test, and it'll show you the ones you've got right, give you a little tick, and the ones that you've got wrong. And then if you type in your name and click Print Results, it'll print you a nice little summary of how you've done. Now, you're probably thinking, well, I've seen all this kind of stuff before. But I really like this because it's so simple. There's no hassle going on with registering or going to loads of different websites and logging in and all this kind of stuff. It is just a simple online test that the kids can do. Now, I've used this in a couple of ways with my students. I've set it as a kind of traditional homework where they've got to go ahead and practice, and I want them to bring me in their best score, ideally 10 out of 10, and I give a prize to the one who does it in the quickest time to try and develop fluency in the topic and rapid recall. That's one way to use it. And the way I've been using it quite a bit in the last couple of weeks is just for starter questions, just as a random question generator. I just bang this up at the start, and then I go around my class and I picking out names at random. I'm saying, John, can you answer question 1? Soph, can you answer question 2? Lucy, can you answer question 3? Try and go round, and I give the kids 3 lives, and I see how many laps we can do, how many sets of 10 questions we can go through before we lose a life. And just a little simple thing like that, the kids seem to really enjoy, and they get instant feedback from the question when we tap in the answer and check it and so on. And there's different levels of this one. This one has 2 terms in X, so it's X's on both sides. Then we have X's with brackets. And if you play around with this, you'll see there's loads of different ones: quadratic formula, mental arithmetic, negative numbers, and hopefully David will be cracking on producing some more as well. So as I say, it's not going to be for everybody this, and I know those of you who subscribe to numerous other websites will have alternatives to this, but I like it. It's free, it's simple, there's no hassle with registering, and it may help your kids develop that crucial fluency that allow you to build on more complicated skills and learning on top of it. So thanks so much, David, for putting your expertise into creating something like that, and I hope some of you find that useful. And I will be back with a fresh resource of the week next week. Take care, and bye for now.